Today, we're going to have some fun with a quirky experiment called the Vinegar Rock Candy Twist. But first, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a skewer or string, a jar or glass. Now, let's get started with the magical process. 1. First, pour the water into a pot. Turn the stove on to a medium heat and gradually add the sugar. Stir the mixture until the sugar melts completely. 2. It's time for the secret ingredient. Add the vinegar. It helps dissolve more sugar, setting the stage for crystal magic. 3. Once everything is blended into a sugary solution, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool slightly. Pour the solution into a jar or glass. 4. Take your stick or string, dip it into the liquid, and prop it so that it's suspended in the middle. Try not to let it touch the sides. 5. Now, the fun part, patience. Leave the jar undisturbed for a week. During this time, watch as the sugar slowly resolidifies and begins to form sparkling crystals on your stick. Science surprise. As time passes, sugar crystals astoundingly transform from liquid to solid, shimmering like little jewels. The vinegar is like an encouraging friend that helps more sugar dissolve initially. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share everywhere to have more fun experiments. See you little scientists in another fun experiment.